Hello, my name is Gabby Beckford from Paxlight. I am a travel blogger and full-time content creator, and I mostly share about travel and scholarships because I think that people should be able to travel the world without going to debt over it, right? Today I'm here so excited to share with you an opportunity from my friends over at Go Overseas. They are giving away $10,000 and $5,000 to help you take a gap year wherever you want to go this year, 2021, and like a little bit in 2022, but I'll get to the details later, okay? Can I just say that I've never heard of a gap year scholarship before this? Like literally, I thought you could get a scholarship to study abroad, you could get a scholarship for an internship, you could get a scholarship like to go to school, but not for doing whatever you want, really. And you know, a gap year can be whatever you want. It could be studying, it could be learning another language, it could be learning to dance, it could be being in your room, virtually going to classes or doing whatever you want. And I just have never heard of anyone doing it. And the age limit for this opportunity is 14 to 25. I'm 25, so like, I'm just saying I've never heard of this in my life. And that's why I'm so excited to share this with you, is because once in a lifetime opportunities are my thing. This is one of those things, right? So let's get into it. I'm here with my handy dandy laptop and I'll be going through the details of the 2 scholarships. You could win both of them, but at least one of them that you could win through Go Overseas in the USA Gap Year Fair, right? So the grand prize is $10,000 tuition and free gap year counseling. So what is it like, okay, wait, now it's tuition on a scholarship, what does that mean? So the USA Gap Year Fair is full of organizations that have specific programs that help you take the gap year how you want to take it. And Go Overseas is basically giving you $10,000 in tuition to go do that, right? It's so easy. So that's why it says tuition in that language, okay? Just don't get freaked out about it. So the grand prize is $10,000 and a free gap year counseling, one-on-one, you and one of those like specific program advisors, they will help you. So you win the scholarship, you apply to the gap year program that you want to apply to, and you decide you want to learn a language, boom, bing, bang, like they do it all for you. The second prize is $5,000 tuition, $5,000 scholarship, right? Free gap year counseling. This scholarship, the little runner-up scholarship, the second one, is special because it's granted to the top applicant in the state with the highest number of applicants. Does that make sense? It's really in your best interest to tell your friends, your local friends, to apply to these scholarships too, because when you win, they win. Does that make sense? Again, the deadline is April 15th, so you have time to get started today, which you should. By the end of this video, you could have opened up the link, which is below in the caption and on your screen right now. And you could have started step 1 of the application process. There are 3 steps, all of them are pretty easy. But number 1, you could have already put in like your name, date, high school information, emergency contact, all that stuff. You could have gotten the easy breezy details out of the way. So you should do that by the end of this video. Like open another tab and do that right now. But only do that if you meet these eligibility requirements. You are age 14 to 25. Most of us, right? You're a US citizen. Sorry, my Canadian, Australian, Chinese friends. There will be more opportunities out there for you. If you follow me, you know that, but this one is only for US citizens. And of course, like the nitty-gritty detail is that you have to take your gap year through one of these specific programs that they work with to go through these specific gap year programs. You can't just like disappear off the face of the earth, but I promise you'll figure it out because they have so many great options. Now, how do we apply? Let's walk through it. Apply by April 15th. That's key. Press submit by April 15th. Step 1, get it done. Go open the link. Submit your very basic application and save the draft of your application. Like, just get it started. The second part is going to be to choose your gap year program, which may take a little bit more work. You're not in a rush. Go attend some of the gap year sessions at the USA Gap Year Fair. It's virtual. You can come in, you can come out, you can talk to real alumni, you can talk to actual one-on-one gap year counselors. Get all the info you need. Apply to the gap year program separately, and then step 3. Create. Show your heart. Lead with your passion. Lead with your inspiration. Make your 1 to 4 paragraph, not 1 to 4,000 words, just 1 to 4 paragraphs. You do that on Instagram all the time. If I check your text right now, I promise you've written 1 to 4 paragraphs to your best friend in the last week or so, okay? Write your 1 to 4 paragraph manifesto and then make a vision board. And it's gonna be so easy, so fun. It can be virtual again, just like your gap year could be. Your vision board could be virtual too. I have a link to my free one below. It's literally free. Yeah. That's it. It's really that simple. And all of this is to say that you could have $10,000 to change your life this year, 2021, in a pandemic, and follow your passions. And I think that that's unheard of. And I think that's really cool. Please go apply. Please apply. I cannot say it enough that you need to start your application right now and just press submit by April 15th. And I believe in you. I think that you deserve it. And I think you should think that you deserve it too. And I can't wait to see you put your vision board and manifesto where your mouth is and take a great gap year. All right, see you soon.